Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is our seventh video for patient record application, and in this video we will see how to delete data from database. And I have also solved the lagging problem which I have faced in my previous video, that I'm not syncing with audio and the code. So I try to solve this in video. Okay, so let's start this. So the first thing, we will open the view.py file, and here we will create the before doing the view file, we will open the home template, and here we have add the on click, and this will add are you sure you want to delete this data. So we will add this on click functionality, and and in href we have created a delete patient id. Okay, so this patient id we will delete this patient. Now in the url, what we will do here, we will create path delete patient, and after this what we will do, we will add the int, id, and now we will create views dot, and we will create this functionality. We are going to create this functionality, but I have named it uh, delete patient. Okay, so we have created this. Now let's go to the views file, and here we will create definition delete patient. So we will create here, just a second. Okay. So now we will create delete patient request id, and we will create the patient delete from, we will filter that which patient we want to delete, and then we will simply call the delete functionality, and now we will redirect on home page. Okay, so now we are running this, our server is running, and now let's go to the home, and we are on home page. Now let's click on this read. So it is showing this confirmation box because of we have added this confirmation functionality on click. So when we click on this on click functionality, so data has been deleted, and because we are passing this patient id to the view, so in the request, and now we have deleted this data with the help of url and view functionality. Okay, so in this video I just want to show you that how we can delete data from database, and in the next video we will see how to send email to the user. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and if you have not subscribed this channel, then please subscribe, and please like this video, share this video, and thank you so much.